How to download Warzone 2 on PC. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video presentation, I'm about to demonstrate how you can easily acquire Warzone 2 on your personal computer. In case you're not aware, Warzone 2 comes at absolutely no cost. Gone are the days of relying solely on the Battle.net, and now you can access the game through the Steam distinctive icon and simplifies the whole process of getting the Warzone 2 on your device. Now let's jump right into the video. To those 0.1% who don't have the Steam yet, don't worry, I've included the link below leading you directly to the Steam installation page. You can also just simply go to steam.com, and once there, simply hit the install Steam button and you will be all set. Upon launching the Steam, head to the store and search for Warzone 2. It should instantly appear. Click on it and then navigate to the section Play Call of Duty Warzone 2 for free. By selecting the option, you can initiate the installation process, which should commence once you click Next. Checking your library, you will notice that the Warzone is in the process of downloading. Like any other game, this download might take a while. Eventually, Warzone 2 will be fully downloaded and ready to play, and you might even consider giving MW2 a shot as it's conveniently available. However, as you start MW2, you might encounter a GPU driver version error, and no worries, you can address that later. So moving on to actually play the game, you will need an Activision account. As a newcomer at a level 1, it's time to dive in and shed that noob status. As there you have it, a detailed guide on how to acquire the Warzone 2 on your PC at zero cost. So remember to show your support by liking and subscribing if the tutorial has been helpful. Thank you for watching.